Oh yeah, this is one very shameful moment that someone bring their garbage here. This is broken washing ceramic washing place. I don't know, it's all ceramic. They just leave it here. No, why you are such a pig? Oh, this is so disappointing. And this is in front is my house, so there is a forest, and you just walk in a forest with beautiful flowers, and then suddenly this one. Oh my god. Yeah. And yeah, then I need to clean all this by myself, others people garbage, and then bring this to city or spend money to pay someone who take this out. Or I need to invest money for other persons piggish doings. So there's another thing I found in forest. I just live here. I will bring this to city. Put somewhere in garbage in the moment because why are you doing this? Why you can bring? I'm going with bus. I don't have a car. Well, those people, but this person who did it, you have a car. I can guess you have a car. You have everything. I don't have a car to bring this garbage. I put everything in my bag, just like this. I put it in my bag, and I will come back to city. I put this in a garbage in container because this thing was just near my road. Okay, now we're leaving for the bus, but before I will make little walk to forest. So the blossoms are with a bit closed, or because it's evening, or because they are just opening. So they're just opening. Look at them. How much over there? Can you imagine people littering in forest in this beautiful place? They throw the trash. They have car. I again saying I don't have car. They all have car. Many of them have car to bring this garbage in your back place and put in a container in city. Okay, let's enjoy the view. Look, a little bee. This is forest bee, I think. Or maybe not. Look at this beauty. Now it's, I think, 4 o'clock in the evening. Let me check. Something like that, or 4:30. And I'm now walking in the forest. Look at this lake. We call this Ezhupita. Ezhupit means hedgehog's river. These how we call in English, forest workers, not who cleaning forest, cutting trees who are old or dangerous. But they cut the trees. Why they leave it like this? Why they don't remove from the river? Because they are like crossing the river. Like why? No, I know other animals can cross the river walking on this tree branch. I think why you leave it like that, just like this? Okay. Very nice. It's not hot. not warm, like warm but not hot, and this wind breeze. So nice. And look at this small. We don't have here near like big river like we have all this only forest, little forest rivers who are they're man-made. They're not made by nature, but like nothing special maybe for this video. But I like watching this little river like river in nature. Once I saw a duck forest duck mother with 5 little children, very nice. 5 little chickens, chicken babies, duck babies. They were just swimming here. Nice. Sometimes swans coming here or other birds. When I was a child, I think 12 years old, it was maybe 20 years ago, this little river was, I think, 2 meters deep. In some place, especially here, it was 2 meters deep. Can you imagine? Now it's like 50 centimeters, and it's never more than 50 centimeters. So all the time it was like 2 meters, even more. And there were species here, but something happened, and yes, something happened, and with years and years, this river are just little river, 50 centimeters, 30 centimeters, just only maybe in some season after big rain in spring when snow melting, then this river is deep, but then it dry quickly out. It's still nice. I hope you're enjoying this video. Once when you really walk in life, in reality, you walk in forest. Other you're just sitting in city and watching my video. But no, I hope it relax you if you are in stress. By the way, if you feel stress, nature really helps. Just take one day off, one day, one night, or 2 days, and somewhere in summer house or rent house for 2 days, where is forest, and just walk near forest. It must be really water, some road, forest, birds. So these are elements relaxing. How people say that nature are a healer, nature healing from the stress. Or sadness, or you feel upset about something important in your life. And spending time in nature really helps. But in this place, this lake, the color of the water are very deep. I think there is maybe 1 meter deep, because the ground here is more narrow. And there is light brown color like here. It means that there is some 20 centimeters deep. Yeah. So in some places it's really deep. Okay, let's go forward. Now there's one thing I'm disappointed about. I live near this forest. I live near here, our house. And we live in this village. We don't have really big rivers and I don't know, fancy rivers with fountains, lakes, famous lakes. We always have is this forest with nature and this little mini river, and people littering here, leaving bottles, bringing garbage here. They come with car and put this garbage out. Like, and we are many people who walking here. They don't littering, you know. That they just come here, walk and enjoy this place. And we already have nothing special here. Actually, only this forest. No, it's special, but no. And people, this all little small thing we have, somewhere don't value this and dare to bring garbage in forest. I don't have car, really. I repeat this third time. I don't have car. I don't have boyfriend with car. Sorry, I don't have. So I no, all my garbage I have, I put in my bag, bottles, plastic. How much I spend? Like two, one, one, two bottles of water, and one glass bottle from some juice. And I bring to city and put in container. It's like it's not heavy. It's like no. Now time when I coming back from here to city, I take some one bottle with me, no problem. I really don't understand why you people littering. Oh, I don't understand this. But you know, I think someone are cleaning here. We have each spring this when all come together, not everybody, but a lot of people come together with garbage bags and in big squads. They come and clean everything here, what other people leave. And bring to city and put in container. Because I remember there was garbage some places and someone didn't move it. Yeah. I have house. My house is just in front of the forest. When I see something, I just put collect on some several things and put in my bag and bring to city. Put in container, no problem. But when it's systematic, yeah, I need to do this so often. Then you know, I became pissed off that I need clean alone after others people mess. Oh, interesting. Yellow. And I first time see these flowers. I never seen this before. This is something rare because I know so much species of flowers who are very common, like dandelions and you know stuff like this. But this one, I don't know what is this. You know, I'm not like crazy botanist to know all names, but yeah, very nice. We have also here wild orchids, by the way, and wild irises, and people dare to littering here. What a shame. And these ones also are something rare. But these yellow ones, wow. Maybe they are poisonous, I don't know, but okay. I was last time here 1 year ago and 2 years ago. I didn't see these flowers. Maybe I didn't pay attention or I don't know. They're again here. I will not touch them because I don't know who are they. I don't familiar with this. And I don't want to burn myself. But because we have some species of flowers and plants, then if you touch it like this, yeah, you can get burns. So I am careful with this because it's look something new to me. Ah, this is Evas. Evas. I don't know in English. In Latvian we call this Evas, and they will start soon blooming. They're white color. You know, I will come here after 1 week, maybe next week. Oh, here is more. Here is more. Yeah, I never seen this before. Very nice. I'm glad that there is not so much garbage. How you see, nothing. This is like cars are coming here, yeah, often, but there is nothing. Or maybe there is just spring. Maybe end of autumn is, but I don't know. Okay, I found here something. This can be bring from with wind, and these ravens, they also sometimes make mess. Look again these flowers. Yeah, I just didn't pay attention to them before. Oh, there is some car coming. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Who's flying? I follow it. It has blue wings. You see? Wow. Where is it? Wow. The wings was like electric blue. Wow. Okay, this video is 50 minutes already. I hope you are not fall asleep yet. Oh, here is again. There is this guy. Where is it in my video? How to spot it? I like bugs. Oh, come on. So when it flies, I think the under wing was dark electric blue. Ah, you see, it is blue. The panzer is blue. It's not black. And it looks so nice, like something shiny blue. Yeah. No, sorry. Those wasn't wild irises. These ones are wild irises, you see? This one with very white leaves, striped white leaves. This is wild irises. And there are like a lot of them. I see on the moment only these two. Ah, and these also. Some places. So okay, going out from here. Oh, these also I never see before. Let's check what is this. Okay. And they're growing in water. So this one is interesting. I also never see before. Yeah, because maybe never come here exactly this day, in this year. But each week something different appears, another disappears. Very interesting. This is wild. Oh, it's precious.